everybody. Good morning, Mr. Min. Good morning, Pat. Good morning. How are you, Pat? You're looking nice today.
Oh, I'm fine. I'm doing good.
Yes.
How
Mr.
about
Min.
too? So let us talk about our interview today.
Yes.
Our topic today is about OFW.
Yes. And we are student of HRM BSU, and we are here to have a short interview for our activity in oral communication. So, where we can be inspired for modern day.
And today we have a very special guest, guys. So who is about to share his close encounter in a foreign country.
Yes. As we all know, working overseas is not really easy. That's right.
Especially nowadays, many of Filipinos are getting to go abroad because of difficulties in life. Now, he is going to share with us his experience for being an OFW worker.
So let me welcome you, our guest for today, Mr. Roberto Endaya.
Hello, please, sir. Welcome, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir. Good morning. Okay, let's start our interview today. Well,
Yeah.
so let's start the questions for you, Kat.
Okay.
Our first question, sir, is what reason made you decide to go abroad for work rather than working here in our country?
Una sa lahat, ang rason ko ay mas mataas na sweldo sa ibang bansa kaysa dito sa Pilipinas.
So, sir, it is easy for you to be an OFW, or shall we say that are you really willing or happy to go abroad for work, or you just don't have any choice?
Kaya kasi hindi willing ang gugustuhin kong may pagsapalaran ng mas magandang kapalaran sa ibang bansa kaysa dito sa ating bansa.
How's your first day, sir, in abroad as well as your first work?
Una talaga mahirap ako mag-adjust. Mahirap talaga kasi lahat i-adjust mo sa mga pakikisama sa ibang lahi, lalo sa mga pagkain, sa tira, sa loob ng bansa sa trabaho.
Sir, question number 5, can you give us some of the adjustments you make?
Iniisip ko na rin sa aking pamilya at sa magandang kinabukasan dito ng aking mga anak.
So, sir, can you share with us your happy and sad experience in abroad?
Masaya dahil nararating ko yung mga gandang lugar sa ibang bansa at pagdala ko ng pira sa aking pamilya.
So, sir, how about your sad experience?
Homesick talaga dahil malayo sa pamilya. Pag-ising sa umaga.
So, girls, we all know that experience is so very, very sad. So, based on your experience, sir, in abroad, what are the lessons you've learned?
Hindi talaga
Yung lessons, sir?
makipagsapalaran sa ibang bansa.
Your lessons.
Kailangan talaga makapagsapal. Kailangan magsakripisyo para sa pamilya.
Yes, sir. Next question is, for your present life, would you prefer others to find work abroad?
Depende din sa kanila dahil kung kaya naman nila buhayin ng kanilang pamilya dito sa ating bansa. Napakahirap talaga.
So, I just remember, sir, can you share us about your first counter-in job, your interview, process interview?
Madali pa dapat lakarin daanan bago makalis. Hindi madali. At talagang tiyaga.
So, sir, what are your reasons for coming back here in the Philippines?
Tapos na ang kontrata, at makita ang pamilya at mayakap ang asawa.
Are you staying here for good, sir?
Kailangan talagang bumalik dahil kahirapan ng buhay dito sa atin.
So, sir, how does being an OFW worker change your career goals in life?
Mas naging focus ako sa work at mas malapit ako sa action.
So, this is the last question to end this interview. So, sir, can you give any advice for people who like to go abroad for work?
Sa mga gusto mag-abroad pa, una, lagi ang Diyos at i-focus niyo ang isip sa pamilya at magandang kinabukasan sa pangarap ng kanilang pag-aaral.
So, sir, thank you for sharing your experiences with us.
We have learned that from you. You have been an inspiration to everyone. May you God bless and your family. Good luck to your future plans, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you for guesting, sir. God bless everyone. I'm Sharmini Sarana.
And I'm Glenda Habas
And Patricia Consulta. And we are associating HRM students.
from Bat State U Campus Malbar.
And always remember,
Love, love, love!